What's that there?
No boxer. No boxer.
You can't put Sigma turbo vents in your bonnet without a turbo.
I'll put them in the guards. How's that sound? HoonTV!
What's going on in your noisy workshop?
Whew, noisy workshop at the moment, man. Super busy. Sigma's a couple of days behind, which is a little bit frustrating. Workload's just been crazy, so we're really struggling in that aspect at the moment and building a car. But that's alright. Motor's in, boxes in, mounts are made, cross members made, trans mount's done. Engine is built, that's sitting over there ready to rock and roll.
Show me.
Let's go over. Look, turbo. No. So, motor's here. She's all basically buttoned up, ready to rock. We just got to get the sump off of the dummy motor in the car. So, LS1, it's a good engine to start off with, 147 Ks. Put a LS2 manifold on it with the 4-bolt throttle body, 102mm just to help it breathe a little bit better. VCM have supplied us one of their 710 cam packages, so cam lifters, springs, buckets, everything we needed. So heads have been removed, all cleaned up, tidied up, new springs fitted, valves cleaned, new seals, locks, everything else there. And basically we'll put it all back together. We painted the block red, keep it old school Holly rocker covers, mate. They're just so cool. Look like Ford flatheads, just to upset people. The fuel system's here, tank's modified, it's getting a paint now. Extractors, that's our biggest issue at the moment. So Grant's here doing the wiring over there. He'll have that knocked off today. Extractors tomorrow. Engineering starts on the 21st of this month, so I've got 3 weeks to have the car finished so we can go through the engineers and get it street legal just in time for drag challenge.